In this new release collection, we are going to begin working to create an awesome fairy garden collection. Now, not just fairy gardens, but small dioramas that could be associated with a fairy-like garden. That being stairs, little wooden benches, fairy doors, fairy garden houses out of jars, and all sorts of things that kind of go along with that whole niche, right? It's a whole crafting and art genre that I really haven't tapped into. But me and my daughter are in the process of wanting to have fun, maybe even outside the studio, creating a fairy garden. Now, like most of the content that I create in playlist or collection form, this will be a long form thing that goes on over the next few years. I will slowly release content into it, everything from sculpting to casting to painting to kind of diorama, flocking setup, things like that. Things that we can kind of incorporate over time to start from the very basics, start from the very beginning, and work up to more advanced setups. I do plan to create casts of the majority of the things that we sculpt throughout this process, and I'm excited to release the first video of this series in the next week or two. But as always, this is more so just of an update on me potentially releasing this new collection here on my YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys engaging with the content. So if there's some kind of particular item or thing that you would like for your fairy garden and you would like to see or be featured here on this collection, make sure you reach out to me through Etsy or through the YouTube comment section. My goal with this process, whether you're a child in the beginning stages of their crafting journey or more advanced, or just want to purchase the items already created for your setups, then I can meet the needs that you have with this collection, as well as my Etsy shop on the side. So make sure you hop over to my homepage, guys. Make sure you go to the collections tab and see what I have to offer you in my art collection. You never know what you might find here on Byerly Studios, and I look forward to it growing even more over the next few years. If you're here for fairies, if you're here for gardens, or you're here for dioramas and sculpting, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, and I will see you on the next video in the Fairy Garden Collection.